Well, the UCSD Leadership in Healthcare Organizations master's degree is really a tremendously important degree for both us in San Diego, but also nationally. The critical thing that I think most people should realize is we want people with experience. We want people to give us the benefit of that experience. And in exchange, what we hope to do is provide them with basically three different areas. They'll be able to, number one, deal with the people in healthcare, particularly the business aspect of healthcare. So what that means is understanding how to improve patient outcomes, improve how to use management techniques to actually, number one, provide those benefits in terms of reducing medical errors or improving clinical practice. But in addition, how to actually engage in organizational behavior, understanding the theory behind managing people, managing resources, and those kinds of things. In addition, of course, we want folks to understand and have the skills of the modern healthcare climate. So the environment of healthcare, the infrastructure of healthcare, how does one's own individual facility work, and how does that work in the context of a national and international forum that we have now today in healthcare, because the healthcare world is increasingly competitive, and we have to be able to provide the skills for students to actually understand how to survive and succeed in that environment. And in fact, that's what we try to do. In addition, other aspects are really important that we also try to provide information and skills regarding in the healthcare climate. Health IT, information technology, critical area to understand, as well as additional resources, financial accounting, other kinds of analysis and approaches to really allow that student who comes in with a business background to catapult him or herself using those skills up until the level of senior management. And what we'd like to do is see those people who succeed in senior management to actually provide additional benefits for future students. So from our point of view, LHCO, the Leadership in Healthcare Organizations master's degree, really is a joint effort between the students of today and the leaders of tomorrow. And hopefully what they'll be able to do is work together so that patients and healthcare organizations actually succeed, both this generation and all future generations.